Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss FSC Biology chapter number 6 MCQs. MCQs number 1. The word archaeobacteria derived from Greek word which means option A true bacteria, option B false bacteria, option C recent bacteria, option D ancient bacteria. Ancient bacteria is correct answer. Word archaeobacteria means ancient bacteria. Next option, who coined the term any molecules for microorganisms like bacteria and protozoa? Option A Robert Koch, option B Louis Pasteur, option C Alexander Fleming, option D Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek is the correct answer. Next MCQ, who discovered the bacteria causing tuberculosis also developed various techniques of media preparation and maintenance of pure culture. Option A Robert Koch, option B Louis Pasteur, option C Alexander Fleming, option D Leeuwenhoek. Option A is correct, Robert Koch. Next MCQ, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the germ theory of disease postulated by Robert Koch? Option A, specific organism can always be found in association with a given disease. This is correct option. Option B, the organism can be isolated and grown in pure culture in the laboratory. This is also correct about germ theory of disease. Option D, it is possible to recover the organism in pure culture from the experimentally infected animals. It is also correct about germ theory of disease. Option C is incorrect about germ theory of disease. So option C is correct option. Next MCQ, which of the following structure is not present in all the bacteria? Option A cell membrane, option B chromatin bodies, option C ribosome, option D capsule. Option D is correct. Capsule is not present in all the bacteria. Next MCQ, the size of spirochete is option A 0.1 to 600 micrometer, option B 100 to 200 nanometer, option C 500 micrometer. 500 micrometer is correct answer. Next MCQ, the size of E. coli is option A 0.1 to 600 micrometer, option B 100 to 200 nanometer, option C 1.1 to 1.5 micrometer in width and 2 to 6 micrometer in length. This is the correct option. Next MCQ, in bacterial categories, the bacteria smaller in number are option A gram positive bacteria, option B U bacteria, option C ancient bacteria, option D gram positive bacteria. Option C is correct option. Ancient bacteria are smaller in number. Next MCQ, the germ theory of disease has postulate option A 3, option B 5, option C 4, option D 6. Option C is correct for postulate. Next MCQ, some bacteria ranging occasionally a size of 500 micrometer in length are spirochete. Option B is correct. Next MCQ, Cocobacillus has a shape similar to option A Diplobacillus, option B Sarcina, option C egg. Egg is correct option. Cocobacillus are oval in shape and egg is also oval, so option C is correct. The first bacterium isolated was option B is correct, Bacillus. Next MCQ, which of the following bacteria are thick, rigid and spiral? Option B Vibrio, option B Spirillum, option C Spirochete, option D Coccus. Option B is correct. Spirillum is a thick, rigid and spiral. Next MCQ, a group of 8 cocci is called option A Diplococci, option B Lactococci, option C Tetrad, option D Sarcina. Sarcina is the group of 8 cocci, so option D is correct. नेक्स्ट MCQ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ चेन अरेंजमेंट? मंदियाजैल में से किसकी चेन अरेंजमेंट होती है? ऑप्शन ए स्टेप्टोबैसिलस, ऑप्शन बी स्टेप्टोकोकाई, ऑप्शन सी स्टेफेलोकोकाई, ऑप्शन डी बोथ ए एंड बी. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, बोथ ए एंड बी हैव चेन अरेंजमेंट. नेक्स्ट MCQ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैक्टीरिया डू नॉट हैव फ्लैजेला कॉमनली? ऑप्शन ए कोकाई, ऑप्शन बी बैसिलाई, ऑप्शन सी स्टेप्टोबैसिलाई, ऑप्शन डी विब्रियो. Option A is correct, cocci. Next MCQ, flagella originate from option A cell membrane, option B cell wall, option C capsule, option D basal body. Option D is correct, basal body. Next MCQ. A bacterium with a tuft of flagella at both pole is called option A Lophotrichus, option B Monotrichus, option C Peritrichus, option D Amphitrichus. Option D is correct, Amphitrichus. Next MCQ. Which of the following structure primarily helps in attachment of bacteria on various surfaces? Option A flagella, option B pillae, option C both of these, option D none of these. Option B is correct, pillae helps in attachment. Next MCQ. Which of the following structure provides greater pathogenicity to the bacteria? Pathogenicity mean disease causing ability. Option A capsule, option B slime, option C cell wall, option D cell membrane. Slime is the correct answer. Slime provides greater pathogenicity. Next MCQ. Cell wall is absent in. सेल वाल किसके अंदर एब्सेंट होती है? ऑप्शन ए कोकाए, ऑप्शन बी बैसिलाई, ऑप्शन सी माइकोबैक्टीरियम, ऑप्शन डी माइकोप्लाज्मा. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, माइकोप्लाज्मा. नेक्स्ट MCQ. द सेल वॉल ऑफ आर्क्यूबैक्टीरिया डज नॉट कंटेन. आर्क्यूबैक्टीरिया की सेल वॉल के अंदर क्या नहीं पाया जाता? ऑप्शन ए पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन, ऑप्शन बी प्रोटीन्स, ऑप्शन सी ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स, ऑप्शन डी पॉलीसेकेराइड. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन. नेक्स्ट MCQ. ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया पेयर पर्पल्स. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. Next MCQ. Extremely long molecule of DNA that is tightly folded to fit inside the cell component is called. Option A nucleus, option B chromosome, option C chromatid, option D chromatin body. Option D is correct, chromatin body. Next MCQ. Which of the following contain genes for drug and disease resistance in bacteria? किसके अंदर ड्रग और डिजीज़ की रेजिस्टेंस के जीन्स पाए जाते हैं? ऑप्शन ए न्यूक्लियोटाइड, ऑप्शन बी प्लाज्मिड, ऑप्शन सी मीजोजोम, ऑप्शन डी राइबोसोम. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, प्लाज्मिड. नेक्स्ट MCQ. द कॉमन वेस्ट मटेरियल इन बैक्टीरिया इज. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, लैक्टिक एसिड. नेक्स्ट MCQ. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बैक्टीरिया रिक्वायरिंग द लो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ऑप्शन ए कैम्पाइलोबैक्टर, ऑप्शन बी स्पाइरोकीट, ऑप्शन सी ई कोलाई, ऑप्शन डी सूडोमोनास. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, कैम्पाइलोबैक्टर. Next MCQ. Purple non-sulfur bacteria is an example of. Option A heterotrophic bacteria, option B chemosynthetic bacteria, option C photosynthetic bacteria. Option C is correct, photosynthetic bacteria. Next MCQ. Those bacteria which are fully dependent upon their host for nutrition are called parasitic bacteria. Next MCQ. Nitrifying bacteria are example of chemosynthetic bacteria. Option B is correct. Next E. coli is an example of. Option A aerobic bacteria, option B anaerobic bacteria, option C facultative bacteria, option D microaerophilic. Option C is correct, facultative bacteria. Next MCQ. The spirochete is an example of anaerobic bacteria. Option B is correct. Next MCQ. Sex pili is formed in which of the following process? Option A binary fission, option B mitosis, option C sexual reproduction, option D conjugation. Sex pili are involved in conjugation. Next MCQ. Rapid growth at exponential rate occurs in which phase of bacterial growth? Option B is correct, in log phase. Next MCQ. Chemical substance used on living tissue that inhibit the growth of microorganisms are called antiseptic. Next MCQ. Who developed the vaccine against anthrax? Option A Louis Pasteur, option B Edward Jenner, option C Leeuwenhoek, option D Alexander Fleming. Option A is correct, Pasteur. Cyanobacteria have dash cell wall. Option A gram positive, option B gram negative, option C acid fast, option D cellulose rich. Option B is correct, gram negative. Next MCQ. Which of the following help cyanobacteria to locomote? Option A flagella, option B gas vesicle, option C both of these, option D none of these. Option B is correct, gas vesicle. Next MCQ. Cyanobacteria reproduce by. Option A, binary fission. Option B, mitosis. Option C, meiosis. Option D, conjugation. Option A is correct, binary fission. Next MCQ, approximately dash species of bacteria are known to cause diseases in humans. Option A 100, option B 200, option C 300, option D 400. Option B is correct. 200 species of bacteria are known to cause diseases in humans. Thank you for watching. This is all about FSC Biology chapter number 6.